Hello, welcome to the stream, guys. It's a new week. Let's see how it goes. We are starting from 0 0. There's I haven't edited my title yet, but I'm starting a new challenge from today. That I'll be starting with $500, going through profits and trying to make $100,000. But yeah, I know it looks hard, but trying is the only thing we can do. Hey Preeti, how are you doing? Nice. How's the work on your rules going though? I think uh, alright, let's just talk about briefly on daily charts. What's happening? So there are one or two things can happen. Alright, sure. Update me on that. Uh, so about daily chart, before we do anything to go further down or fill these FPGs, I'm thinking that we should run 3 size pretty soon because we have read fuller news this week as well. So I'm thinking that we run this highs first and then retrace back into this to go much higher. That's my bias this week. Looks very bullish to me, as you can see on 4-hour chart. What a beautiful chart, 4-hour chart. So that's that. So currently with my bias, I'm looking for market to take out these double highs, then retrace back, then take out these highs and continue in the New York session. It's a fresh Monday after a long weekend, so everybody will be looking to trade, so I'm just taking it patiently. Yeah, it was bad. Last week was pretty break even for me too. We may, there was 1 minute FPG here on this candle, these two candle. We may fill this up and run away, but I'm taking it very cautiously. So want it to come back, retrace back to this FPG, and then we can run. Even if it does go without me, it's fine. It is what it is. I don't wanna take risk here. We have gap leaving there. what it can do is that we go into this 1 hour FPG, come back to this 15 minute FPG, and then we run through these highs. Let's see what it does. Currently it's pushing from 5 minute FPG heavily, looking to not leave this FPG unfilled for future reference. See, Sunil, I haven't used it in my trading career at all, the cameras model, but what it is that you go to, I think, what that hour window is in ICT's model, silver bullet hours. You will find more entries on 30 seconds. That's what Cameron used to do. I mean, aiming for low RR on second charts, and he used to get filled more often than usual. So I think I don't use silver bullet hours as well. Since the time has changed, I think their time has changed as well. So you can find silver bullet hours anywhere on ICT's channel. Preeti knows, she will write it down. Somewhat less white. Okay, sorry. If anybody knows what the silver bullet hours is currently as New York Times, depending on New York Times, can you write it please? Because I don't use it. So what you can do is take those silver bullet hours when market takeouts before the silver bullet hours or just in the silver bullet hours takeouts the lows or highs. You can go into 30-second charts and look for MSS FPG and enter. I think you don't need MSS and stuff, you just need that FPG going in your direction to enter. There you go, pretty nice. So I also use 30-second charts on New York session, but I don't look for low RRs. At least I look for 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. I get more entries there. But in London session I use minute charts. So hello. It is audible. Yeah, you have 10 to 11 to trade. If you are trading just New York AN session, you have 10 to 11 where you can trade your silver bullet with Cameron's model. It's pretty easy to trade. I mean, you gotta be very disciplined with it nonetheless, but you know, aiming for 5 to 10 handles in a trade is not bad either. As soon as we tap this 1 hour FPG, market is trying to retrace now. Next hour candle will be important, how it closes. Again, I don't trade silver bullet hours or Cameron's 30-second model. My model is pretty clear. Uh, if I just give me a second. Now let's disappear this. What I trade every day New York session is this. There we go. So if we take this was when Tuesday or Wednesday, whatever. So 9:30 opening. I need to find 9:30 opening. Give me a few minutes to set everything up so I can explain to you clearly what I do trade every day. So you see this blue line horizontal, vertical is a 9:30 opening. What I do is mark highs and lows just before that on 5-minute chart. I go to 5-minute chart. I mark obvious highs, which is this, and obvious lows. What I want it to do, what I want it to do is that take out buy side liquidity either or sell side liquidity, and then 2022 model. Uh, if you have seen somewhere that we get displacement to the downside, if we take out buy side liquidity, MSS FEG enter and aim for another side, which is sell side liquidity. Same from the sell side liquidity. So that's what I trade every day. Let's see play out. See here it has taken out buy side liquidity. Now we want something confirm. See, as soon as it takes out buy side or sell side, what I do is go into 30-second charts and look for MSS FPG and enter there. Sometime you get stopped out, sometime you don't. I mean, it's a high RR setup, so you know you gotta trust it. I have back tested this a lot, but on the days like where market just keeps ripping, no, I wait for judicing to be done, and after the judicing's momentum I trade. See, I look to enter somewhere here. I don't care if I get stopped out or not. This is where I look to enter. Let's see if we get filled here. There you go. You can aim this as well. So that's my model. Every day I look for the same things. Take out the buy side or sell side. You can aim for higher RR, but I don't in this market because it has been dipping since forever. So aiming, because it's a bullish market, if I'm in short, I'm booking it early. If you go and watch my 14 $4,500 a week, you will find it perfectly. I have posted a lots of screenshot there from backtesting. Now it's trying to pull back after that 1 hour FEG. Perfectly tapped. Now it's pulling back. Maybe it will make 1 hour positive FEG as well. So yes, I trade only this model in the New York session. Yeah, in the New York session, of course. I look for 2 trades at least. I mean, 1 TP at least. When I say 1 TP is like if I get 2 SL in my first 2 trade, I'm done for the day. If I take TP in first trade, also I'm done for the day. So I won't be taking second trade. So that's how I go. News days, if there is news coming, if it's 1 or 2 hours away, I do take trade. But if it's like 30 minutes away, I wait for it to get it done. On days like that, it won't take out liquidity that quickly. You will see. News will do the work for you. After the news is done, you can take trade. Or you can just avoid the day. As simple as it is. If you don't want to trade it, you can avoid the day. In the starting, you know, with Cameron model, I think any model you should avoid trading in 1 hour duration of that news time, because it's gonna chop around. Before they do something with the market, it's gonna chop around. I have experience with that. Hello, Binav. Let me just mark these FPGs. So if I go in other time frame, you can see the what I'm doing. There we go. No problem. Yeah, well. What's that, crypto god? Yeah, you do. Sadly, you do. You should have that premium account. Topstep. Sorry, Trading View. But if you are trying to apply for prop firms, go for Quant Tower. They have it for free with Topstep data, rhythmic data or something. MMSM ITF. Don't know anything about that though. Chopping around. It's just that I speak very low. If I speak normally, this is how I speak. Sorry for inconvenience. Working on that though. How is it now? One hour FPG giving it hard time. Crypto payouts. I think all the futures prop firms are giving money in your bank accounts. Even which prop firm was it? I forgot, totally forgot. Thank you for confirming. I think you will have to go on their website and check if they can give you payouts in crypto. Coming back now to that 5 minute FPG. As I said, we have 1 hour FPG above us, 15-minute positive FPG below us. I think what it's gonna do, if it doesn't want to run away quickly, it will come back, fill that FPG, and then we go to 25s. That's what I think it should happen, but you know, market is always right. Whatever it does is right. Yeah, they don't have option of crypto. I mean, it's fine, man. Till 10, 20 lakhs, it shouldn't matter to you as anyways. Like $10,000, $20,000. Nobody's gonna do anything. I can't say clearly this on stream, but you know what I meant. Trying to push again. Let's see if it does this time break the these highs 94s and trade into this FEG. I think it doesn't want to come back to fill us on this 15-minute FEG. Just wants to run away without giving us entry, but it's fine. I don't want to take this big SL on risk. If I were to enter here, my SL would have been 25 points, which does not fit in my risk to reward criteria at all. Even if we are right on blank page, we are right. So let's see what ES is doing. ES candles gives me chills sometimes. Doesn't look perfect at all. ES has taken out those lows perfectly. Now it's also pulling back. So it's more likely that we go for these highs now. 574. Let's see. Gonna stick with my New York baby NASDAQ. No problem, Sunil. Anytime. Pushing now. Great push. So that 5-minute FPG was the entry now. I can say that pretty much. 15 points run from that 5-minute FPG. Going into this FPG now. Let's see how it reacts from it. Balance price range. At what you talking about? Still I am not in trade. FYI. Did not take it because I wanted it to come back to this 15-minute FPG to give me good risk to reward ratio, but it did not. It just going and going now. It's a London session, so we never know. It can come back anytime. Yeah, even I'm looking for that. Doesn't look like it wants to do it. It's just gonna leave that gap open for future reference. Because if it were to come back, what it would have done is that take out this high going into 1 hour FPG that we have here, and then come back to 15-minute and then good morning Raj, good afternoon. I think you should go with uh, 4 to 5 micros, crypto god. If you can take the 4 to 5 micros, that would be great, because what I do is on 50k accounts that I trade with 1 mini. So for 25k accounts, you know, halving the risk, and profit is fine, but halving the risk. So 3 to 4 or maximum 5 micros. Nice, nice, Raj. Hopefully you and me are both on right path. No trade yet though. Just want to see these goes, take out these highs. Would be nice to start the week. Doesn't have to be in trade. Yeah. The only concern is that we have 1 hour FPG, this gap between candles, which is I think new week opening gap. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, it is new week opening gap here. So I think it is going there at least. Let me just try it. There's always tomorrow. I mean, you can't be wrong pretty much at this time now. At this point, at this 40 points, I would have gone break even if it were to give me entry here, but it hasn't, so no problem. I think it's going for this new week opening gaps now. I think it's gonna go through this FPG like butter goes through knife. We have another FPG, positive FPG on 5 minute. If it does retrace back, it can use that FPG plus OB to go through. So looking good till now. With NQ, you should be careful with that model. I mean, it's safe. It's always safe to go to break even. Or maybe, oh, closing the position. You're talking about closing the position. Then it's fine. Going break even on NQ when it's goes to one jab, one is risky always. It comes back, retest your entry and then goes to your TP. So I always stay with my SL. Nice. Yeah, that's great. Never tried that closing one contract because usually I take full TP or full SL. We were on right side. We did not get entry though. So we took out this perfect lows here, digging into this wick, which is obviously a gap in ICT concepts. Had MSS, FPGs, but when it filled FPGs, it was too high to get into it. So just left it alone. As simple as that. Coming back to that FPG, 5-minute FPG. Let's see if it respect that. Yeah, it's always good to try new things. If it works for you, it works for you. Shouldn't change anything at all. Good luck for your first day in futures. It's just a pure price action at this point. There's nothing to talk about. We have perfect highs here and bunch of liquidities up there which can be taken out. So it's just waiting game. Oh nice. Great, great. Don't reset it though. did not come back completely in that FVG. Now pulling back again to the upside. It has allergy not to fill FVGs at all, I guess. Just leaving them open and going to the upside. I think this is the objective of London session. If it's there any, if there's any, that's how it says. Sorry. Taking out these highs and potentially going through these highs and this, take out this liquidity above this, who are trailing shorts now currently. Trying to push through now. Let's see if it comes back to this FVG or not, or goes back to this new week of opening gaps now. Any of you are currently in challenge? We have 8 people watching us. I'm sure 5-minute FVG it is. Yeah, can go with long SL below this 79, entry at 88, 10-point SL. It's good. But let's see if it comes back to fill it. Oh, nice. At what prop firm and what account size? Looks like it's gonna run away. Unlucky. Rigged. Entered at 4550. Let's see what ES is doing. As I said, I think it was somewhere around here. It's gonna run through these highs pretty quickly. These highs and eventually this high. On ES, how many points? 12 points. That's great. On ES, 12 points is insane. You entered at where? 4550. I think you're mistaken in entry, but it's fine. This is a good point to exit, or if you wanna hold with break even, you can hold it till this size as well, because NQ has left. It's tough to do yet, so I think NQ can pull back ES, pull to the upside ES, and take out those highs on ES as well. Alright, booking profit is always good. Of 54s, 8 points, not bad on ES. I'm currently in process to buy a account which I'll do today. I'm going out today evening, so I won't be coming live on New York session, but from tomorrow we'll start that challenge. thinking of buying 150k account because I already have 3 accounts with Topstep, and I won't be able to get fourth one because they have a limit of 3 accounts. So if I have to do this challenge, and if I have started it, so I'll have to do it. So if I'm going with 50k accounts, which everybody goes with, which relates to people, then I'll have to close 150k account, take out everything out there. You can lose on 150k accounts. It's better to close, you know. It's better to close account, take your money out first, and then start a new account. So I'll do that. 998. CEO of that FPG. Yeah, 998.50. From my point of view, it's gonna get run through. We have so much support for upside now with this gap opened. I agree with that it does not give setups on ICT concept as much as, you know, like other months, Sunil. But what I can say that you can trade up till like 15th December or 20th December. After that, drop it for sure. Even I won't be trading after 15th December, so that's my plan. 15 days off, coming back fresh in New Year. That I'll be doing. I may stretch it up to 20th December if I see good price action till 15th. But you never wanna end your year on, you know, drag down. So I know you may be in rush to pass challenges and do stuff, but wait for January. Anyways, you are back testing, so it's good. Yes, January is always good. January will be good price action. Yeah, January everybody will come back. It's not like market doesn't move in December. It does move if you are good enough to take trades in that. I have seen it moving instantly. We get Christmas run as well, always. But it's better to avoid in starting phase of career. You can do backtesting this Christmas, save the data and use it for next Christmas. That's how you use backtesting. From January everything will be normal. You will have movements, and for first 6 months of the year, any year, for particularly Nasdaq, I have seen insane movements as per ICT concepts. You get insane setups like 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio 1 to 7. Every FPG is respected. Since last 3-4 months it hasn't been that good, but you know, it's not always green. From that 5-minute FPG, if we were to enter 20 points, not bad. I'll be coming live every day though, with this challenge that you talked about. Coming live, I will show you my account number. So account number as in the Topstep account number, so I won't be resetting without you guys knowing it, you know. Totally transparent with it. I'll see where it can take us. It will take good 6 to 7 months to achieve those numbers if I don't use my accounts which are already funded. It's always fun to do challenges like that. My target was for this year to achieve 100,000 in personal money. uh, I am half, 50 or 60% is there. I haven't taken out one penny out of my accounts, which people think it's insane, but I have my plans. But 60% is not bad. Even if you achieve, I had this, I wasn't profitable at all in this January. I haven't had gone through the ICT concepts. I found out about ICT in February or March. I gone through his content. I got funded first time I think in July, then September again. I have now currently 3 accounts. So progress, progress this year, nothing else. Looks like it's just gonna rip through. It just doesn't want to come to that FPG anymore. Be careful if you are entering here on this 5-minute FPG, because we have just touched the C of that 1 hour FPG. It can pull back way further down. So if you have any question, let me know. Otherwise, let's just enjoy the music and price action. If I have and if I have anything to update on, I will. Oh yeah, what about your channel? That's what I said, no? I'm gonna buy new accounts with Topstep and try to increase my funding, but it's all complicated for me because I already have 3 accounts. So let's see what I do. I close 250k accounts and buy new to 150k accounts. That would be good for my personal and this challenge as well. So you cannot just go $500, put it in your broker account and to $100,000. It just seems impossible to me right now. For me right now, it's not impossible, but it just way saturated than it looks. So you have to get help of, you know, prop firms to kickstart that challenge, and then you switch to your personal accounts, and you know, that's how I'm going about it. I'll figure something out today and we'll have that challenge running from tomorrow. Fully transparent, everything. You will see me trading here on your screens with my challenge accounts. I don't care if I blow accounts, reset it, but have to be transparent. Now it's slowing down after this great movement. We're gonna sit here till 3. Let's see if it goes to our objective, which is 25s, or at least this new week opening gap where I would have gone break even. Then I think I'll hop off. We got good 40 minutes, so nothing to worry about. Coming for that 5-minute FPG. Hopefully rigged. Are you watching? RIGD, or I'm just reading it rigged. Rigid, strict. Yeah, let's see how it reacts from OBN plus FPG. What are you aiming for? New week opening gaps? Or all the way to 25s? That CE is giving a hard time. No candle closed above that CE. It looks suspicious to me. But it can be just reaction. If it to come into this FPG and then run. To be honest, since last few weeks, London session has been great in compared to New York session. New York session has been just going in one direction, which is not good for ICT, concepts. If it starts to run in one direction, I know for retail, I'm also retailer, but for people who trade retail concepts, it's good. For me, I need some kind of pullback and going for a, you know, BSL or SSL. Just missed it. Just missed it by ticks. No point in rushing to enter now. Let it do what it wants to do. Stick with your plan. TradingView has only one problem. They have plans, like they they have plans for Black Fridays and Cyber whatever, but they always want us to pay in yearly fees. I mean, it's good, but monthly would have been nice too. I paid in yearly fees for this plan, but sometimes it's not for everyone, you know. Monthly fee should have been nice too if they have this plan in monthly fees. That's the only problem with TradingView. And if you see and any broker like TradeOver or Quant Tower, they have this candle moving, whereas this updates after few seconds every momentum. So that's a second drawdown. Yeah, I mean now we are good for 1 year, so it's fine. But 18 to 90k is just for the 30 second charts insane. We got more half an hour. Looks like it just want to rest for a bit and then run away, just like here. Rested for a bit. Boom. chopping around for a bit. Let's see if it breaks through now. 600s first. I mean 6,000s, 16,000s. Fumbling a bit because I haven't had lunch yet. Yeah, then there's no point it to come back to that 5 minute FPG and then going back. So that's a good idea. It's just teasing you, to be honest. It may fail you this time. Let's see. True, true. Stick with your plan though. It hasn't gone to 16,000 level, so it might just come back. The only concern, as I said, is CE of this FPG. If it close below above that, then it would be nice for us to run through. That's the FPG tapped in. Your entry was 88. Did not tap that. Romy. No, no, no trade. Nothing. Just tap that 5-minute FPG now. I think it should go up. મજામાં ને રોમી? About to tap you at 88. સર એમ બસ અમે બી મજામાં. ચાલે છે ચાલે છે ચાલે છે. Still learning though. Not in position to teach. Mm. 4-5 second delay. It's fine. How much it's gonna tease you here? Thank you. I was speaking off mic. What I was saying is that let's see for it to close at double 6 triple O's. Trying to push through it now through 98, 99. Closing about 99 would be nice. Or it can just make you wait a lot. It has been in same pattern. If you see, this is a consolidation, push through it, again same thing here, push through it, closing above that. So it's a nice bullish market. Yeah, that's the same thing I was talking about. It consolidate bit for a moment. Now it should close above that consolidation here, at least at 0001 something, and then again doing the same, continuing going higher. Coming back into the range now. More 13 minutes to go. Let's see if it does it at something. At least just close at this moment, like this gap, new week opening gaps would be nice. I may come for New York PM session because I'll be home by that time. So maybe I'll stream that too. If you wanna chill out, just here is the place to come. Maybe we'll find some setup and take trades in my new challenge account. Let's see. Never traded PM session before. That's always first time for everything. Coming completely back into that range. Balancing that candle again. I think it's gonna just consolidate for a bit before running to the upside now. So I'll just hop off 10 minutes earlier now. If you are here and you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Let's get to 150. And by the end of the week, 200s. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys maybe in your PM session today or tomorrow London session. Stay safe, fall forward, game like, trade like Gamecraft. See you tomorrow, or maybe today after 12. Bye.